Good morning. God bless you guys. God bless you. To this morning here in Dyana's kitchen, guys. This morning, guys, I want to show you how to make some simple green plant. Right, so guys, I'm gonna get started and my green planting. All right, so see you there. So guys, these are my green planting that I'm going to use, guys. And I have some oil here, guys. I have some salt here, and I have something to press out those green banana, guys. You're gonna definitely need something heavy. Once you fry your green plantain, you're gonna need something to press it out. Okay, guys. So now I'm gonna show you how to peel them. Okay, guys. Alrighty. Okay guys, so this is how you peel your plantain. You see, it's just coming off nicely. Sometimes it's not even coming off like this, guys, but now it's coming off really nice. That's what you want. So you look come off so nice and clean. Alright guys, you get another plantain. I'm just showing you, don't cut it too deep. Not too deep. Look at this, guys, so smooth and nice. See that? These are green plantain, nice and smooth. Not too deep, guys, not too. And be careful how you hold the knife, okay? See, that's so smooth and nice, guys. Look at this, so smooth and nice. Just be careful, okay? So nice and smooth. You just cut it like this, guys. This is what you cut it off. You just take your time and mark it. Okay, look at that. Just take your time and mark it. Okay, take your time and mark it, and then you're gonna use here and just push down in it to get off the skin. Here it is. Nice. So right now, guys, I'm gonna peel the other one. I'm just gonna keep on going. I just want to show you how to peel it and so on. If you're gonna fry green plantain, I just want to show you what to do. And don't cut in it too deep. Not too deep, okay? Alright guys, so I'm going to keep on going. Okay guys, so now I'm going to fry my plantain. So this is my plantain. Alright, I have salt on it, that's all I need. And it's already washed and peeled and everything. So now, time for fry. This is my pot, guys. Okay guys, so this is my oil. Now I'm putting in my plantain, guys. So just be careful, okay? I just want to show you, and you need a good amount of oil to fry your green plantain, okay? So guys, you can eat your green plantain with anything your heart desires, okay? You can eat it with some saltfish, you can eat it with some tin mackerel, you can eat this with anything you want, some, scrambled eggs, Alright guys, I'm going to leave it to fry. I'm going to give it like the next 2 minutes because I want it to soak. I don't want when I take it off the outside soak but the inside don't soak, so you definitely want to make sure it's soaked inside and out. Keep it on medium heat, okay? Alright guys, see you shortly. So guys, right now I'm removing them right now from the pot. I'm putting them in a dish, but guys, you can put like a napkin in your dish or a plate towel in the dish. Okay. Alright guys, so now I'm going to show you the next step with these. Okay. If this is big and you feel like you want to cut it, you can just cut it. Okay guys, so I'm going to use my glass container and crush it out a bit because we still have to fry it one more time to get that nice crunchiness about it. Okay, all right guys, here it is. Very, very nice, guys. All right, so I'm gonna get back to you shortly, guys. So this is it, guys. Right now I'm gonna fry it again for the second time, guys. But if you don't want to fry it for the second time and you like the softness, you can go ahead and eat it this way. But I need some crunchiness to it, so I'm gonna fry it again for the second time, so you can put your oil and medium heat for the second time. Okay, all right guys, let's go. All right guys, so guys, you're gonna fry it like a minute on each side. Okay, you don't want to fry too much, just a minute on each side. All right, to get, you know, to get a nice little crunchiness to it. Okay, so once it's fried on this side, you turn it over for the other side for a minute, and just, you know, keep on turning them and take them out once it's reached a minute. Okay, so all you need is just a crunch. Okay guys, all right guys, so right now guys, I'm gonna eat my fried plantain, guys, with some thin mackerel. Okay, so this is my mackerel, guys, and my fried plantain. Okay, as I told you, you can eat your fried plantain with anything. So this is it, guys. That's my fried plantain and my mackerel. Okay, you can eat this with anything your heart desire, guys. So guys, it's finished. All right guys, if you watched the video and you like, guys, please give it a thumbs up. Okay, and guys, subscribe to my channel and share if you like. Okay, thank you so much for watching. God bless you.